AAA Party Supply Store sells invitations, party favors, decorations, and food service items such as paper plates and napkins. When AAA buys its inventory, it pays 25 cents per package for invitations and party favors. Decorations cost AAA 50 cents each, and food service items cost 20 cents per package. AAA sells invitations for $2.50 per package and party favors for $1.50 per package. Decorations sell for $4.50 each, and food service items for $1.25 per package. Now, this is all previous information we're going to need in this question, so now for the question at hand. On June 1st, AAA Party Supply Store decided to increase the price they charge for party favors to $2 per package. They also changed suppliers for their invitations and are now able to purchase invitations for only 10 cents per package. All their other costs and prices remain the same. If AAA sells 1,408 invitations, 147 party favors, 2,112 decorations, and 1,894 food service items in the month of June, use vectors and dot products to calculate their total sales and profit for June. Now, first, I'm going to write several vectors. One is the cost vector. So C, I'm going to write this as the vector, and let's see, I'm going to go in order here. This will be invitations, will be my first component. My second component will be party favors. I'll abbreviate that as PF. Decorations for my third component, and food service, or FS, for my final component. So the cost of invitations was 25 cents per package. Now it is 10 cents per package, so 0.1 is the first component of the cost vector. Party favors did not change, so that's still 0.25 in the second component. Decorations that cost 50 cents per package, so 0.5. And food service items for my final component is 0.2. Next, I want to write down a vector for prices, the prices they're selling them at. And it looks like $2.50. Yep, for the invitations, $2.50, so 2.5 my first component. Again, lining up with invitations. Now for party favors, they've raised their prices to $2. Decorations are $4.50. And food service items are 1.25 for $1.25. And that is my price vector. Finally, we have some information that's quantities. Is the amount they're selling. The amount they've sold of invitations is 1,408. Party favors is 147. Decorations are 2,112. And food service items, 1,894. That's my final vector. All right, now thinking about financial math here, to find the total sales, that's like the revenue. It's the revenue. So this is going to be the price they sell items at. The price they sell items at, vector P. And typically we would multiply this by the quantity they sell. Well, in this case, since we're extending this into a third dimension here, we've got the dot product. So vector P dot vector Q for our quantities. So that would mean we have 2.5 multiplied by 1,408 plus 2 multiplied by 147 plus 4.5 multiplied by 2,112 plus 1.25 multiplied by 1,894. So that my total sales is going to be $15,685.50. That's our total sales. Now next we want to find profit. Now there are two ways we can find profit. We can take their costs and subtract that from the sales. That would be one way. Or we can use a little bit of vector arithmetic. I'll actually show you what that'll be really quickly. So my end result is going to be P dot Q minus C dot Q. C dot Q being the cost, what it costs them to purchase these things, which that would then be equal to the quantity P minus C dotted with Q. And that would actually give us our final answer. So that's one way to do this. I'm going to go at this a little bit more directly, but I just want to point out that you could actually do that. Vector arithmetic is nice sometimes. So let's go ahead and find their costs. So I'm going to abandon that method right now. Their costs would be vector C dotted with Q, the cost per item multiplied by the quantities. Now, using the two vectors we have up here, this would be 0.1 multiplied by 1,408 plus 0.25 multiplied by 147 plus 0.5 multiplied by 2,112 plus 0.2 multiplied by 1,894. That sum would be a total cost of $1,612.35. So the profit, which is the value we actually want, is going to be $15,685.50 minus $1,612.35, which is $14,073.15.